Bro, I don't know where we are. We found this museum and you just like climb stuff, bro.
I don't know what's happening either, but I'm going.
Go, bro, go. I believe in you.
I'm scared.
I believe in you. Just don't get stuck. I'm not gonna be able to pull you out.
I'm stuck.
Oh. Like, look at this. This is awesome. My turn.
Hello.
Hello.
This is so weird.
This is awesome. You got it, brother.
Bro, I'm too big. I'm too big.
It's just like a little crawl space.
Okay,
Yeah. So I'm climbing up the stairs. You can't see me. Oh my god.
After lunch, we got.
Oh, the slide. Yo, you can't see me at all. I'm too dark. We just
The world's largest puzzle.
climbed. Are we on the 4th floor now? I'm sweating. You can see it glistening on my forehead. Giant puzzles on the wall.
Wait, it's all the world wonders.
Oh, hold up. Wow. World's largest puzzle. Why is my flash on? We're going down the slide. We're trying to maximize time, bro. We have 5 minutes left here. YOLO. Ow. And now we're outside, basically, I guess. That's it. Another slide. You got it, brother. Whee! And he disappears into the ether. My turn. Up. Awesome. All right. My friend has to get to the airport. One more slide for the road. Ain't
One
that
more
right,
slide.
bro?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Up. Hey! Oh. Oh my gosh. Okay, we just got out. We only did the general admission because let me show y'all what's on the. Look at what's up there. We could go up on the roof, bro. We couldn't do all of that. We only had an hour. I'm definitely coming back, and I'm bringing so many people. Let's not get hit by cars as we cross the street.
Let's not.
And then we gotta get my friend to the airport. Oh, it's so sad. This was fun. I'm gonna put where we are in the description because I don't quite remember the full name and I want to get it right. I think, or actually I'm just gonna flash up a graphic on screen right here. And I am sweating. Literally sweating. Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, I did.
Oh my gosh, that was fun. All right, I guess that's all for this video. And I don't know how long this video will be. My friend gave me the idea to start recording like halfway through, so I'm signing off now. Thanks for watching. Come check out this museum if you can. If you are in St. Louis, Missouri, make the trip. It is so worth it. And get the rooftop pass as well, because I'm definitely going to be doing that the next time I come back. And closing words.
Rooftop, preferably in colder weather.
Yes. All right. I'll see y'all next week.
Bye.
Bye.